Sa photo booth na bubuo maraming alaala. Nakangiti, nakapikit, iba't ibang itsura. Apat na take ay piprint at itatago sa putsa. Sa carousel ay sasakay kahit hindi na bata. Paikot-ikot at makulay ang paligid kay ganda. Maaawa ka sa kabayo at baka mahilo siya. At kahit mainit o pangit ang kahit saan mahiwaga pag tayo'y magkasama na. Halika na, kahit saan aking pupuntahan, basta kasama ka. Kahit saan patungo, pag nandyan ka di ako mawawala. Sa Chinatown maglilibot at bibili ng siomay. Pipicturan ka sa tulay parang kuha ni Wong Kar-wai. At sasakay tayo sa pedicab na medyo overpriced. Sa Intramuros lalakarin ang mga Kastila. Aakyatin mga pader at poprotektahan kita. Pagkatapos magkakape tayo ng naka-aircon pa. At kahit mausok, maulap palagi, kahit saan mahiwaga pag tayo'y magkasama na. Halika na, kahit saan aking pupuntahan, basta kasama ka. Kahit saan patungo, pag nandyan ka di ako mawawala. Dulo man ng universe, walk trip ng 10 kilometers. G ako basta't kasama ka. Tour ng Roas Boulevard, lahat ng branch ng Alpha Mart. G ako basta't kasama ka. Ukay hopping sa Cubao, mag-hiking trail sa Ifugao. G ako basta't kasama ka. Akihabara, Japan, Lacson, Espanya, Dapitan. G ako basta't kasama. Kahit saan patungo, pag nandyan ka di ako mawawala.
Mellow 947 BFM. Hi there, my name is Anne. Welcome to the show. This is Mellow Live, and this afternoon on Mellow Live, we are joined by an artist who turns chaos, confusion, heartbreak, situationships, overthinking, and even random everyday moments into songs that people genuinely connect with. From punk energy to intimate love songs, from toxic relationships to quiet commutes and photo booth memories, Sean Archer is here. Ladies and gentlemen, Sean, welcome to Mellow Live.
Thank you for having me. Hello.
Ayan, ito na yung applause. Yeah. Sound effects natin. Hello, Sean!
Hello.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
Alam mo,
you.
cute ako sa lyrics ng kantang yan.
Thank you, thank you.
Mag-walkathon kayo ng 10 kilometers.
Yeah.
Why not, diba? HHWW pa. So this afternoon, guys, we are gonna get sucked into the world of Sean Archer. And he is here to, first and foremost, promote yung brand new EP mo. It's
Yes.
called Kung Ano Ano. And
Yes.
that song that you opened the show with is your lead single
Lead
ba?
single, yeah,
The lead
for the
single,
EP.
and it's called Photo Booth.
Yes.
'Di ba? Yung sumakay kayo sa overpriced pedicab at nagpunta sa iba't ibang branch ng Alphamart.
Yeah, goals.
I love, yan ang bago kong favorite song.
Thank you.
Okay, but for those who are hearing you for the very first time, how would you describe your music? I feel like yung sound mo, basing it on the songs that I've listened to in your new album, parang influenced siya by 90s rock and pop, punk,
Yeah, yeah.
no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yun yung genre, specifically 90s and 2000s rock alternative. Yun yung genre na I grew up with.
Okay.
So it only felt natural na yung songs na isusulat ko is ganun yung direction niya. Ganun.
90s talaga, no? Pero parang
Yeah.
you're so young.
Yeah. Ano siya yun yung songs na pinapakinggan ng parents ko, ng mga uncle ko. So eventually, na-influence na din ako.
Oo, alam ko 90 sila, magka-age halos kami because nung off the air tinanong na kita, yung Sean Archer ba na name mo galing sa movie na Face
Yeah.
Off.
Kahit yung name ko pala 90s.
Oo, no? That was John Travolta for our listeners who are probably wondering, ano yung Face Off? Movie po yun ni John Travolta and Nicolas Cage,
Yes.
'di ba? So Face Off, nagpalit sila ng muka. Si Nicolas Cage, si John Travolta, si Sean
Sean
Archer. So fans yung parents mo nung movie na
Yeah,
yun.
yes,
Yeah, that was in the 90s. It was a really big movie in the 90s. Napanood mo ba yun?
Yeah, napanood yun na.
Kasi dapat, di ba?
Dapat lang.
Doon ka pinangalan eh. So anyway, you're here to promote, we're gonna be talking about that song, but first let's focus on your new EP. It's called Kung Ano-Ano.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is so different from the first one that you released in 2024 ba? The
Yes,
first one?
24.
Yeah. So, itong Kung Ano-Ano, you had a bit more of control dito sa album na to because it was written and produced halos by you.
Yes.
Yeah, you
And
had more
mixed and
control.
mastered, yeah.
Mixed and mastered. And Kung Ano-Ano ang title niya, it's because when I read the PR of your album, it says there that, it has variety, it's collage-like, diba? It has more spontaneity, it talks about everyday events in your life, diba?
Yes.
Was there freedom in finally allowing yourself to create something na hindi perfectly organized? Kung ano-ano, na pinagsama-sama.
It's less about freedom and more about experimenting. Kaya kasi with like my peers, current artists, like laging may theme yung mga projects nila. And for me, for this project, naisip ko na I wanted to be more personal. Ako, as a person, syempre wala naman akong specific theme, di ba? Kung ano ako.
Okay.
Kung ano-ano talaga yung personality ko kung influences ko, yung mga sound trip ko. So it only felt right na yun yung ipangalan sa EP.
You know what, kung ano-ano, variety, spontaneity, napaka-spontaneous. Even when you see Sean right now, because we're live on Facebook and we're also live on TikTok, kung nakikita niyo siya on your screens, makikita ba yung style ni Sean, diba? I mean, from your perdible earring to the color of your hair, it's so spontaneous. But in this EP, so you wrote all these songs.
Yes.
Were they all from personal experiences?
Actually, yes. All from personal experience. So,
Okay.
itong EP specifically mas special kasi mas personal siya sa akin.
Okay. How much of your relationships get into your songs?
Para like
Para
almost
nag-blush ka ng konti.
all the time na Kahit dati kasi iniiwasan kong ganun. Pero
Bakit?
dun galing yung inspiration din
Oo.
So bakit ko tatanggihan?
Oh, you
diba?
know what they say nga, di ba? You write better songs if the inspiration comes from something that you've actually
yeah.
witnessed or experienced
Yeah,
yourself,
true, yeah.
di ba? So kung may makikita kayong kanta sa album na what do you call this? Situationship, ano pa ba? Paghihiwalay
Yeah.
or something. Ayan, naranasan na ni
Yeah.
Sean yan. Was there ever a time na nahulaan ng maybe your friends or uy, si ano to
Yeah, like all the time.
All the
Yeah.
time. Okay. Kanina nga tinatanong ko, ay yung first album ba, iba yung inspiration dito sa bagong album?
Actually, hindi pala. Pareho
hindi.
lang din.
Pareho
yeah.
lang.
Matagal na akong with that person.
Okay.
Yeah.
And photo booth is actually about, going on simple dates with your girlfriend,
Yes,
correct? Yeah. A very, very, ang tawag dito, simple yung story that this song is talking about. It feels almost cinematic kasi parang nothing really dramatic happens.
Yeah.
It's just like walking lang kayo, di ba? Riding overpriced pedicabs and everything. Do you feel that this is the healthiest kind of love, yung quietest kind of love? And why did you want to come up with a song like this?
Well, it's definitely one na you can call healthy.
Mm-hmm.
And it just galing siya sa experience ko. So I needed to write it. And when I was writing the lyrics, siya
And I read
dumaloy lang siya.
Oh, I read na sinulat mo lang to in 1 hour, tama ba?
Yeah, like that.
Very quick.
Yeah,
Okay.
very personal nga siya. So sa verse na to, sulat ko dito? Yung time na ginawa namin to. Pinuntahan namin to.
Naglakad kami ng 10 kilometers.
Lakad kami.
Mga ganyan ba?
Yeah. Nung
Nirecord di ba sa Strava yun?
17,000 steps.
17,000. Sa Japan ba ito?
Sa lang naman, sa Makati.
Saan naglalakad ng 10 kilometers sa Makati? Nag-isip tuloy ako, ha? Saan? Sa Ayala Gardens?
Well, kasi, masaya maglakad sa especially kapag gabi.
Okay.
Masaya maglakad pag gabi. Then, yung ending is magkakape, ganun.
And you initially didn't think much of this song. It was actually Rico Blanco who you worked with not just on this EP but also sa first EP
yes.
mo, right? And he was the one who convinced you na ito
Yes.
yung gawin na lead single?
Yes. So, yun nga, 1 hour ko lang to sinulat, di ba? So, I didn't think much of it. It was just acoustic song. Pero it was special kasi, siya, personal
Kasi
siya sa
may
akin.
meaning siya. Oo.
Yeah, pero hindi ko in-expect na it would also be special sa ibang tao. Yun, kay Rico. And he convinced me na, ito na yung lead single. And eventually, na-attach, na-grow na din ako sa song na to.
It is a really charming song. Ang
Thank
ganda
you.
ng lyrics, nakakatuwa. That's going to be my new favorite song.
Thank you.
Speaking of Rico Blanco, you worked with him on this new EP and also the previous EP that you released in 2024. What was it like, working with someone that you grew up listening to?
Saya kasi ang dami niyang natuturo sa akin. Ang dami ko natututunan.
Ano yung mga major lessons that you got from Rico Blanco?
When it comes to specifically recording, ganun. Dapat, it's all about capturing the emotion pagdating sa recording. Ganun. It's more about, yun, kung maingay man yung kanta, ganun, or if tahimik man yung kanta, dapat intimate. Dapat mafe-feel ng listener kung ano yung energy na gusto mong ipa-feel sa kanila. It's all about capturing the emotion. Ganun.
So again, we have Sean Archer in the house. He opened the show with a song called Photo Booth, which is the lead single of his new EP. It's called Kung Ano Ano. Tama ba?
Yes,
Kung
yes.
Ano-Ano. And we have another song from that particular EP. We have it here on the Mellow playlist. So we're going to play it right now. It's called Anik Anik. After the break, we're going to talk about a little bit more about this particular track. Again, it's called Anik Anik from the new EP, Kung Ano-Ano by Sean Archer. You heard it first right here on Mellow Live on Mellow 947 BFM.
Ilang buwan na lumipas nang ika'y umiwas. Bakit ka nagpaparamdam? May gusto ka bang sabihin? Balak na linawin bagay na hindi ko alam. Wala ka bang mahanap? Wala bang makausap? Ano ba talagang dahilan? Kung balak mong umulit bago ka humirit, bago pa kita pagbigyan, Cross my heart, I hope you die. Di na mauulit, di na ko uulit. Shut your mouth and say goodbye. Huwag mo nang ipilit, di na ko uulit sa'yo. Di na ko uulit sa'yo. Sabi mo ika'y nagbago, dami mong pangako, sa una lang naman magaling. Natural na sinungaling ang iyong ugali, lagi ka nagkakamali. Tiniis ko lahat, minahal ng tapat, sinubukan ko pang tumagal. Ikukwento mo pa na ako'y masama, ang lakas na loob, ang kapal ng mukha. Cross my heart, I hope you die. Di na maulit, di na ko ulit. Shut your mouth and say goodbye. Huwag mo nang ipilit, di na ko ulit sa'yo. Mga lihim na di mong maamin, salitang bumakas sa damdamin. Di mo na maaari bawiin, di mo na maaari bawiin. Kahit pa magdapog at magalit, kahit pa lumiyab ka sa init, kahit pa lumuhod at magsisi, ay hindi na ako uulit sa'yo. Di na mauulit, di na ako uulit. Shut your mouth and say goodbye. Huwag mo nang ipilit, di na ako uulit sa'yo. Di na ako uulit sa'yo. Ako pa magtataga sa bato. Di na ako uulit sa'yo. Ekis ka na sa'kin, kahit pa magdapog at magalit, kahit pa lumiyab yan sa init, kahit pa lumuhod at magsisi, ay hindi na ako uulit sa'yo. Di na maulit.
Mellow 947 BFM, Sean Archer, ladies and gentlemen, with a song called Ekis, Cross My Heart, I Hope You Die. Hiramin ko yun eh.
Yeah, sure.
Sabihin ko yan doon sa, nangutang sa akin kanina.
Tama.
Yung kayo mga nangungutang na hindi pa nagbabayad, gagamitin ko yun.
Tama.
Ako na magtataga sa bato. I love that song. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
And again, that is from your new EP, Kung Ano-Ano.
Yes.
Right? Oh my gosh. Grabe yung anger ng song na to. And somehow it doesn't really feel that angry, maybe because of the
Yeah.
beat, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Yung rhythm niya, yung tono niya, and the way you sang it, parang there's there's anger, but there's not necessarily bitterness. What were you experiencing? I am curious nung sinulat mo tong kantang to.
Ano siya? Yeah, now that you mentioned it, parang celebration na siya eh. Kasi tapos na ako sa'yo, di ba?
Ekis na siya.
Ekis ka na sa akin. Hindi
Okay.
na kita pinagtitiisan. Nung nagse-celebrate na ako, I'm in a better place now.
So it's not really about heartbreak, no? It's more like yung parang boundaries.
Yes,
Parang
yes.
more of self-respect kesa
Yes.
kesa parang heartbreak,
Yeah, or
'di ba?
bitterness,
Or bitterness or losing a loved one, 'di ba? Na hiniwalayan ka, ekis na tong person na to. So it's more about self-respect, 'di ba? When you were writing this, did it feel like exploding with these emotions or finally letting go
Yeah.
of what you were feeling during that time?
It's kind of both.
Okay.
Yeah. Kasi, yeah, it's about the people na dati, tropa ko, ganun. Pero, eventually, I grew tired of them. Kasi nagset na ako ng boundaries. And so, when I wrote this song, parang finally nilet out ko na yung mga frustrations ko
Sa
sa'yo.
tropa ba to? Akala ko naman sa partner.
Actually, pwede din siya sa
Tropa.
partner eh.
Applicable
Applicable din siya.
No, actually, I really thought that it was, for an ex. Pero
Yeah,
hindi
yeah.
pala, tropa pala. Sabi ko sa'yo,
Personally.
pwede to sa mga
Yeah.
yung nangungutang
So,
na hindi nagbabayad. Di ba?
Actually, medyo ano siya sa akin eh. Medyo madami akong pinapatamaan. Ganon.
Talaga.
Yeah.
And uulitin ko ulit yung question ko kanina. Hindi ba nahuhula ng mga kaibigan mo kung sino yung pinapatamaan?
Actually, ako na yung nagsasabi sa kanila kung sino.
Oh my God, I love
Para
this.
kay ano to, kay ganun.
Alam mo, ikaw, kunwari pangalan niya, Joey. Ikaw, Joey, cross my heart, I hope you die.
Yeah, ganun.
And kanina, before the break, we played another song from your new EP. It's called Anik Anik. Let's talk about that song. Why did you write that? And what is it all about?
It's about
Anong hidden meaning niya? Baka may hidden meaning din yun.
It's about my observations sa consumerism.
Consumerism, okay.
And ako, mahilig din naman ako bumili ng material things. Ang anik-anik, it's fun. Pero may mga taong bakit parang hindi na nila control yung pagbili nila na porket may sale, bibili ka na.
Oh,
Ganon.
Dayan!
May natamaan ba?
Teka, anong ginawa ni Dayan sa'yo?
Diba?
Schedule ka naman yan today.
Hindi sadya.
Hindi. Nasulat na Dayan bago ka pa niya nakilala, di ba?
Yeah.
But do you feel like your generation in particular is more emotionally attached to mga anik-anik, to objects, di ba?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Wala namang masama doon. Ano mo yun?
Oo.
It's
masama
nice.
talaga.
It's fun to collect. Pero
Oo.
dapat may boundaries ka. Alam mo kung kailan nagiging toxic na yung pagbili mo. And actually, nakaka-compare ko din siya sa being with someone na toxic na sa'yo. Pero hindi mo mabitawan.
Yeah, it can actually mean something deeper also. Hindi lang objects yung hindi lang anik-anik yung kinokolekta mo, but
Yes.
also memories that you don't need, emotions
Yes.
that you don't need, 'di ba? Ito ngiti si Sean. Alam mo, parang dapat
Dali.
magsulat tayo ng kanta together, di ba? Or may mga hugot tayo na pili ko makaka-relate. But be honest, what is your biggest unnecessary anik-anik purchase?
Actually,
Gusto ko yung napag-iisip kita eh.
kasi
Binili mo
hindi
na
na ako-
sale na parang na nagsayang ka ng pera. Na biglang mo kinuha yung pen mo tapos sabi ko, sige na nga, sulat ako ng anik-anik.
Sorry, kasi ako matipid kasi talaga
Wow,
ako. Actually, lahat ng mga
okay.
damit ko sa ukay-ukay ko na binibili.
Talaga?
Parang ever since naging conscious na ako sa pag-spend ng pera.
Mhm.
Ganon. Although may times na napapa-installment ako, ganon.
Alam mo, lahat naman tayo guilty sa mga bagay na yan eh, 'di ba? Wag na tayo magkunwari. Lahat tayo may mga anik-anik na nasa bahay, either tinatago natin or we collect something and display it, 'di ba? And also pagdating sa non-physical things, marami rin tayo mga anik-anik na hugot.
True.
'Di ba?
Yes,
That's
yes.
so true. Alam mo, Sean, magsulat tayo ng kanta. After nito, sulat din mo yung kanta. Tapos ng Sony. 'Di ba?
Shout out.
Shoutout. Baka nakikinig si Chen Mars, gagawa kaming kanta ni Sean Archer. Paki-produce na lang. But when somebody listens to kung ano-ano from start to finish, what do you think they will understand about you? Kasi it's a variety of experiences itong album na to, 'di ba? So iba-ibang klaseng emotions, iba-ibang klaseng kwento. So pag pinakinggan nila ito from start to finish, what do you think they'll understand about you na hindi pa nila alam tungkol kay Sean Archer, or something that they wouldn't really get from maybe your social media pages, yung mga pinopost mo?
It's about my emotions.
Nahalo-halo.
Nabanggit niyo nga po kanina, di ba, sa pictures ko, angry. Pero,
Oo nga, sabi ko, bakit parang, as nakasiwa ka dun sa photo. May pinagdadaanan ka ba? Baka yun yung, pinicture mo yun nung sinusulat ng X.
Galit ako.
Perfect, I knew it.
Yeah, pero madami din akong pina-process, madami yung pinagdadaan, and madami akong rino-romanticize sa buhay ko.
Rino-romanticize.
Yeah, kasi I like life.
Well, that's good. We really should like life. We should really love life, diba? So this EP of yours, kung ano-ano, it talks about so many things, so many emotions, situationships, toxicity, consumerism, tapos yung mga pasyal-pasyal, walking for 10 kilometers and everything. Halo-halo talaga eh. Ang tanong ko sa'yo ngayon, are you okay? Okay ka na ba?
Yeah, I mean,
all these emotions going on inside you?
Ito yung outlet ko na pinapang-release ko tong emotions na to. So yeah, that's why I love writing songs kasi dun ko siya nare-release lahat ng problems. Yan, yung mga taong ayaw ko. But also the positive emotions, dun ko rin release.
So, let's move on from your new album. We will go back to 2024 and talk about your first EP. And this one, I am so interested sa title. I'm intrigued by the title actually. It's called Banda Ka ng Banda.
Yeah.
Alam mo yan nung naririnig dati sa mga nanay natin, di ba? Parang, ayan, banda. Ay, alam mo, dati, siguro mga 90s, ang sasabihin ng mga nanay, banda ka ng banda. Ngayon, computer ka kasi ng computer.
Cellphone ka kasi ng cellphone.
Cellphone ka kasi ng cellphone. Kaka-computer mo yan. So nung 90s, banda ka ng banda. We're gonna talk more about this first EP of yours, Banda Ka ng Banda, and you will be singing a song from this first EP as our closing song for Mellow Live today. We're just gonna take a quick break. Again, this is Mellow Live happening right here, right now. My name is Ann. We got Sean Archer in the house. We'll take a quick breather. Stay with us. This is Mellow 947 BFM. Mellow 947 BFM. We are doing Mellow Live right here, and still got Sean Archer in the studio, live in the Mellow studio. My name is Ann, and ang saya-saya ng conversations namin off the air. Kung pwede lang i-share yung mga sikretong sinasabi ni Sean kung kanino niya dinedicate yung kantang X.
Hala.
Sabi mo naman, alam na nila, di ba? Kasi sinabi mo na. So anyway, magba-backtrack tayo. Like I said before the commercial, we're gonna backtrack to the year 2024 because that was when you released your first EP. Tama ba? Debut EP.
Yes.
Banda Ka ng Banda. And this, I believe, is inspired by yung mga Filipino phrase na sinasabi ng mga magulang natin sa atin. No? Banda ka kasi ng banda. Why did you choose this particular title for this EP?
Galing siya sa isang song dyan sa EP na Yayaman yung title. Kasi yung full lyric is, banda ka ng banda, yayaman ka ba dyan?
Oh.
Yeah.
And do you feel now that with the success of the first EP and now with your new EP, with the success of your songs and you going around radio stations promoting your music, successful ka na, diba? So, do you feel na parang, banda pala ako ng banda?
Kala nyo. Yeah,
X kayo sa akin. No, but really, how do you see it now when you were starting and then now looking back at all these experiences, looking at all these achievements, how do you feel now?
Very, very honored and thankful ako na I get to do this. I get to share my songs to people, and I get to do this for a living. So, yung first EP nga, yun yung pasok ko na may mga nagsasabi sa akin na banda ka na banda, yaman ka ba dyan? Kaya, for my first debut EP, yun yung pinamukha ko sa kanila.
Oo. Tapos sabi mo may song from this particular EP.
Yes.
Is that the one you're gonna sing for us today? Not a different
song.
Okay. This first EP mo, did you also have the same kind of control that you had with the second EP?
It's not, no, kasi First ko siya, so I was still learning
Okay.
paano like.
Pero you wrote all the songs, tama ba?
Yes.
Okay,
I wrote
okay.
all the songs, pero I had some help with production from Rico Blanco.
Ah.
So, tinuruan niya ako like paano
Ang
mag-record.
swerte mo naman, Rico Blanco talaga.
True, yes. Dami ko natutunan sa kanya, specifically sa
Oo.
studios. Kasi first time kong makapasok sa big studio for
Right.
recording.
Mm-mm.
Tinuruan niya ako paano yung specific recording techniques.
Mhm.
And, ayun, ang dami kong natutunan for that EP.
Anong mas na-enjoy mo? You know, recording in a studio or performing live?
Oh, I would say both kasi.
Okay.
Kasi masaya sa mag-record sa studio kasi nag-experiment ako.
Akala ko sabi mo kasi aircon.
Yun din. Aircon din. True. Tapos
Okay.
pag live naman,
Oo.
I really enjoy playing live. Nung hindi
Mm.
pa ako nag-i-start mag-perform,
Mm.
pa nagtutugtugan kami dun sa bahay namin,
Mm.
like inaabot ako ng like 6 hours tuloy-tuloy. Kasi I just really enjoy performing.
Okay. When you look at yung songs mo from this first EP and then yung second EP mo, kung ano-ano, what is for you, what do you feel is the most Sean Archer song that you've ever written and performed? Alin dun yung parang really describes or perfectly describes who you are now?
Itong kakantahin ko is just puyat.
Puyat! So puyat ka.
Ngayon, but hindi naman.
Ay.
Thankfully, nakatulog ako ng 7 hours.
So sige, pag-usapan natin yan because that's gonna be our closing song for today. Bakit puyat? What is this all about?
If you're gonna hear it from the lyrics mamaya,
Mm.
pero kahit ngayon, madaming nights na nahihirapan akong makatulog.
Okay.
Tapos, may schedule ka ng maaga. Pero, hindi ka pa din makatulog. Anong oras na? 1 a.m. na 2 a.m. na hindi ka pa din makatulog. So, parang constant struggle siya sa akin. Ganun.
What was keeping you awake?
Ang dami kong iniisip kasi.
So,
Hindi ko
pero
ma-turn
nagka-flash
off.
siya, no, habang sumasagot.
Hindi
Parang
ko
meron
ma-turn
siyang
off.
gusto. Meron siyang gusto. Kasi alam mo, X na yun eh. But, ano ba yung tatanungin? Ito, nakakatawa natin. Nakalimutan ko yung tatanungin ko. But, do you think that, parang feeling ko kasi, the reason why we have a hard time sleeping is because unang-una, pag kailangan mong gumising ng maaga, yun yung hindi ka makatulog sa gabi.
Diba?
'Di ba? May pressure. I don't know.
Nakakainis.
But it's a universal thing, I
Yes.
feel, not just for you or for me or everybody experiences this. Pag kailangan mo gumising ng 4 or 5 a.m.,
Ang hirap.
midnight gising na gising ka pa rin. Pero pagka hindi ka wala namang pasok,
Tulog ka.
di mo,
Ano ba
tulog ka
yan?
agad. Tapos, ang aga mo gumising.
Diba? Nakakainis eh. Nakakainis
So
siya.
true. But I feel like it comes from, I don't know, probably being quietly exhausted. Parang meron kang exhaustion somewhere. Your body is like telling you na, you know what, pagod ka. 'Di ba? Kaya you're feeling this parang insomnia and overthinking also. 'Di ba?
Opo,
Kaya hindi
opo.
ka makatulog. Were you overthinking during these times na
Yeah.
sinulat mo yung puyat?
Yes.
O hindi na kita tatanungin kung ano yung iniisip mo kasi hindi mo rin naman kikwento sa akin. Probably off the air.
Off the air.
Kikwento mo. But do you think that overthinking has become normal already for people your age?
Yes. Kasi, hindi siya ginagawa kasi. Alam mo yun, overthinking, pwede mo sabihin, huwag mo kasi overthink. Paano mo gagawin yun?
Oo nga.
Na-overthink mo nga eh. Hindi naman siya choice, pero mahirap siyang di gawin kasi. Mahirap siya iwasan.
Mahirap kasi talagang alisin siya sa isipan mo eh.
Diba?
Diba? Sa
Overthink
puso. When you write songs late at night, do you become more honest? Kumbaga parang mas nailalabas mo yung emotions mo? Mas nagiging dramatic ka ba?
Yeah. Pag, alam mo yung feeling na pag
Mm-mm.
inaantok ka na, mas nawawala yung filter mo. Ganon.
Right. When the world gets quiet.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah, yun din. Dahil quiet sa gabi,
Oo.
yun, mas at peace ako, like, to do a lot of things, magsulat or
Mhm.
mag-record. Ganon.
Okay. I was gonna ask, ano yung sagot mo kanina do sa most Sean Archer song? Ito pala yun,
Yes,
right?
yung
Puyat. So, kinumpare mo. From all the songs that you have released from the first EP to this one, ito talaga best describes Sean Archer. So, before we end things, before we wrap things up, Sean, where can they catch your music or probably check out your social media pages? Ito na, batian portion na to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sa at Seanyboy, SEAUNYBOY. And my music, my latest second EP, Kung Ano-Ano, out on all streaming platforms.
Mag-shoutout ka naman sa parents mo for naming you after John Travolta's character.
Shoutout
sa
Mama
Face
and
Off.
Papa. And sa lolo and lola ko sa
Mag-hi
bahay.
din ako. Hi, tito and tita. Alam ko po yung face off. Ba't ako magtito-tito? Magka-age pala kami. Yun nga yung pinoint out mo sa akin pagdating mo dito eh. Last guesting mo na to.
Wala.
No, just kidding. But thank you so much, Sean, for your time.
Thank you so much for
Ang
having me.
sarap mong kausap. Sana mahaba pa yung oras natin. But you are so welcome to guest again. Kung may ipopromote ka ulit na next single mo, feel free to drop by. You're always welcome here. Thank you again. Sean Archer, ladies and gentlemen. Follow him on his socials. Go ahead and stream his songs. The new album is called Kung Ano-Ano. The
Yes.
previous album, you can also check it out on streaming platforms, yeah?
Yes.
Banda ka ng banda, and it's
Yes.
okay naman talaga no, kung magbanda,
Yeah.
mag-cellphone na mag-cellphone, mag-computer, as long as, you still work hard and follow your dreams, why not? So, we're closing with this song called Puyat,
Puyat.
from the latest EP of Sean Archer, Kung Ano-Ano. Again, Sean Archer right here on Mellow Live. This has been Ann. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. We'll see you again next week. Stay right here on Mellow 947 BFM.
Lahat ako lang ang gising. Alas 2 mag-aaral ulit. Ang daming gagawin. Alas 3 na ako'y umiga, nanood sa cellphone, magana ang mata. Anong oras na ako'y pumikit, kaya hapon na naman ako magigising. Alauna, ganun na naman, kumukulo na ang akin tiyan. Alas 2 na ako'y kumain ng kung anong maihalo sa kanin. Alas 3 mag-aaral ulit, ang dami pang isasubmit. Anong oras na ako'y pumikit, hapon na naman ako magigising. Gusto ko matulog ng maaga, pero ba't hindi ko magawa? Gusto ko matulog ng maaga. Puyat! Puyat! Hapon na naman ako magigising. 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 Gusto ko matulog ng maaga, pero ba't hindi ko magawa? Ayoko na matulog ng umaga. Hapon na naman ako magigising. Hapon na naman ako magigising. Hapon na naman